First, you have to analyze the problem. The problem has a quadratic variables as numerator and denominator. Since the problem has quadratics, what must be done then is to factor both equations on each side of the equation. Numerator will become x plus 1, x minus 1, and denominator will be x minus 2, x plus 1. Then the common factors. X plus 1 have to be cancelled, so the equation will end with x minus 1 over x minus 2. The vertical asymptote is the number of the denominator which wasn't cancelled, so it will be x equals 2.
Now you find the horizontal asymptote. To find the horizontal asymptote, you have to look at the degree of each side, numerator and denominator, of the equation and their exponents. Since both sides have the same degree, the leading coefficients have to divide, giving an answer of y equals 1.
To find the x-intercept, you have to work with the new equation and substitute y with 0. 0 is equal to x minus 1 over x minus 2. X minus 2 is past multiplying. 0 times x minus 2 equals x minus 1. Then the 1 has to be passed to the other side. X equals 1. The x-intercept will be 1, 0. To find the y-intercept, x has to be substituted with 0 on the equation, which on our problem gave an answer of y-intercept equals 0 and a half.
To find the whole, you must find its coordinate. To find its x, you must check if there is a factor that both the numerator and denominator have in common. In this case, x plus 1. You then isolate x. This means the x on our coordinate is minus 1. Now, to find the y-coordinate, you must take the equation and replace every x with a minus 1. The answer will be the y-coordinate. The coordinate of the whole will be minus 1 and 2/3.
Now you find the range. The range tends to be most of the time every real number except the horizontal asymptote value and the whole y-coordinate. Now you find the domain. This to be most of the time every real number except the vertical asymptote value and the whole x-coordinate.
Finally, you graph. To graph, you first make sure you write your asymptotes. Even though this isn't obligatory, it always serves you to guide yourself better. After that, you graph the whole, the x-intercept and the y-intercept. To make your graph more specific, you can proceed to graph other points by replacing x in the equation with numbers to find their corresponding y. After that, the graph points along with everything else should be enough to guide you into making your graph.